The internet is in the midst of a radical transformation. Web 3.0 is still in its early days, but has already begun to change the way we do business. It's only going to become more important in the years to come. So what is Web 3.0 and how will it impact your business? Web 3.0 is sometimes described as semantic web or the connected world. It's a vision of a future of augmented and virtual reality in which all devices and pieces of information are connected to each other and can be accessed and used by anyone regardless of location. This newly connected World Wide Web will be powered by decentralized technologies such as blockchain technology and AI, artificial intelligence, which can create a more secure and efficient way of doing business. How will Web 3.0 impact your business? Here are 4 interesting points about Web 3.0 and how it can impact your business. Point 1. Decentralized business models will become more common. As Web 3.0 technologies mature, we will see more businesses shifting to decentralized models. With a decentralized business model, there is no need for a central authority or intermediary. This can make transactions more efficient and secure while also reducing costs. Point 2. New business models will emerge. As Web 3.0 technologies mature, we will see the emergence of new business models that are not possible today. For example, a new breed of decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs, could emerge. These are organizations that are run by algorithms and smart contracts with no need for human intervention. There will be new business models built around these technologies that will drive competition from new tech companies. Point 3. There will be new opportunities for entrepreneurs. As Web 3.0 technologies mature, there will be new opportunities for entrepreneurs to build businesses that are not possible today. For example, a decentralized marketplace built on blockchain could allow anyone to start their own business without the need for investment capital or permissions from a central authority. Another example is a shared economy platform could be built on blockchain, which could allow anyone to build their own sharing economy business. The barriers to entry for these new businesses will be much lower than they are today. Point 4. Faster transactions. Another benefit of Web 3.0 is that transactions will be processed much faster than they are today. That's because there is no need for a third party to verify the transactions. Instead, all transactions are verified and stored on a public ledger, which can be accessed by anyone. Faster transactions will lead to a more efficient economy and could help businesses save money. The bottom line. Web 3.0 is still in its early stages, but is already having a major impact on businesses. Those businesses that embrace the new technology will be able to stay ahead of the competition and tap into new opportunities. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, you will need to start planning for Web 3.0 today. This means understanding how the technology will impact your business and taking steps to ensure that your website is optimized for the new technology. If you don't embrace Web 3.0, you risk being left behind as competitors move forward. So don't wait. Start planning for Web 3.0 today. If you want to learn more about Web 3.0 and how it could impact you and your business, please subscribe for future videos by clicking the link below or by visiting us online at techlevitate.com.